In our human body, eyes are playing a major role, so don't take your eyes for granted. So take these simple steps to take care of your eyes. So in this video we are going to talk about how to keep your eyes healthy. So here we go. Good eye health starts with the food on your plate. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zinc, vitamin C and vitamin E will help ward off age-related vision problems like macular digestion and cataracts. To get them, fill your plate with green leaves vegetables like spinach, kale and collards, fishes like salmon, tuna and other oily fishes, proteins like eggs, nuts, beans and non-meats, and oranges and orange juice, oysters and pork. A well-balanced diet also help you to stay at a healthy weight. It makes you more likely to get cataracts, damage to your optic nerves and macular degeneration, among many others medical problems. If you have tried to kick the habit before only to start again, keep at it. The more times you try to quit, the more likely you to be succeed. The right pair of shades will help protect your eyes from sun's ultraviolet rays or UV rays. Too much UV exposure boosts your chances of cataracts and macular degeneration. Choose a pair of glasses that block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Wrap-around lenses help protect your eyes from the side. Polarized lenses reduce glare while you drive but don't necessarily offer added protection. If you wear contact lenses, some offer UV protection. It's still a good idea to wear sunglasses for an extra layer. If you use hazardous or airborne materials on the job or at home, wear safety glasses or protective goggles. Sports like ice hockey, racquetball and lacrosse, and also it can be lead to a bigger and painful eye injuries. Wear eye protection helmets with protective face masks and sports goggles with a polycarbonate lenses with shield your eyes. Staring at a computer or phone screen for too long can cause eye strain, blurry vision, dry eyes, headaches, and other diseases. To protect your eyes, make sure your glass or contact prescription is up to date and good for looking at a computer screen. If your eye strain won't go away, talk to your doctor about your computer glasses. So using this type of glasses with doctor's prescription can be lead to decreasing the strain in your eyes. Everyone needs a weekly eye exams, even young children. It helps to protect your sight and let see your best. Eye exams can also find diseases like glaucoma that have no symptom. It's important to spot them early on when they are easier to treat. If you want more tips like this, then stick with us by subscribing to our channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We believe in that you will follow these steps. So comment on the comment box about your experiences and share with your friends who are suffering with the eye problems.